What's up, fuckers? Let's grill up some mahi, and we're gonna be using the flat basket attachment on my ROTO-Q 360. I've got these portioned out, and I'm gonna season them up with some simple citrus rub from Heath Riles. This basket's pretty easy to use. Set it down in there. You've got this little top part that you can clip and adjust depending on how tight you need it. And we are gonna wind that up because this is a non-electric rotisserie cooker. Cold, they are piping hot, and we are ready to roll. Let's take a look and see how that fish is looking. We've been on for about 15 minutes or so. I'm gonna give it another 5 minutes and we'll pull it off. The rain is definitely coming down. Fish is done, so I'm gonna bring it inside and get it served up. That weather's nasty, but I know this ain't about to be, so let's try it out. Thanks for watching. Y'all enjoy.